Alright, so this is just an addition to my portfolio for my bots. So basically I created a test bot. So what this bot can do is you can view notes. So you can create notes and you can view notes, and then you can change. You can look at it in other servers. So how it works is you add notes. So let's create a note called test. Then let's create this is a test note. This is a test note. Then it says note added, so then we check notes to check my notes. Then you can see that this is a test note, so we can just, now that you see it exists, we can edit it, so we can change it. So it's edit note, note ID, let's do 3 because that's the ID, so it basically uses an ID to delete, gives each one a unique ID, so it just counts up infinitely. Then we can change the content to this is a test 2 for editing a note new version. Then we can check notes. And you can see that so it's edited there. Now we can delete the note by we can delete the first note, which is ID 2. And it's deleted if it existed. Of course, these IDs will be different for everyone because it is different. So it'll be, what I mean is that the ID will count globally. So if one person creates a note, the ID will go up by 1. The next person, a different person creates a note, it'll go up by 1. So let's say Elfish Henry Me creates a note, it'll be ID 1. Then let's say someone else creates a note, it'll be ID 2, and then I create another note, that'll be ID 3. Hello, this is just another addition to my portfolio. I'm going to be showing another Discord bot. So this bot is an acceptance bot for Discord, for a Roblox group. Let's just jump right in. So you can use either user IDs on Roblox or usernames to check. So you can do Elfish Henry, for example. Just made Elfish Henry, comma, and you can also put in multiple users. So let's scroll up till I find a different user. So we can do this, so we can copy that. That's an ID of someone, so we can just put that in. Then we can just press enter, it'll start checking. This does take a little bit long because because of how the bot works. It has to check and create a graph of all the badges the user has ever created, and some users can have quite a lot of badges, so that does take a while. But it does happen relatively quickly, like you wouldn't be waiting too long. You shouldn't be waiting longer than a minute. At most, you should be waiting 2 minutes. Of course, if the account is legit though, because some accounts have botted badges which we don't accept, with over 30,000 badges, which is why it might take much longer than 2 minutes, but usually there's something to stop it from happening, because it would break my home server, my Raspberry Pi 3. So while we wait for it, go check out my other bot, Searchy. You can add it through, I'll put a link in this description of this video to add it. You can use it to search the internet, use AI in Discord, search for things, search for YouTube videos, get it to post images for you, get the date and time, get user info like when the account was created, server info like when the server was created. Oh, there we go, it's done. So the Clanware bot, the Clanware stuff is kind of broken right now. I'll fix that later. I know what the issue is, so just ignore that. It's going to do the other user in the background, so it will do this. It'll post it soon because it doesn't have any badges. So no, it's not blacklisted. So this is checking a spreadsheet with a bunch of user IDs that are banned. So if that user is a part of that spreadsheet, it'll say yes. If it isn't, it'll say no. If it's reported to a Discord group called X-Tracker, it'll say yes, same here. Clanware is the same thing. It checks the Roblox account age, the Roblox user's account age, checks the Roblox user's friend count. it checks the Roblox user's badge count and then creates a graph of when that account those badges were made, and then the number of badges. So this is my Roblox account's badge history, and then it also shows the group count. Then you can also show group details, so what rank they are, the groups they're in. So it's another protection, it's another verification measure. Then you've got the next one who doesn't have a graph, so it doesn't generate a graph. They don't have enough badges, so it says that user does not meet any criteria. They meet the criteria because you need to have some amount of badges. Not blacklisted. You can show the group details though, and you can see that this person is in groups, but we wouldn't be allowed to accept them because they do not have the right amount of badges. Alright, thanks for watching. So this is just a demonstration for my portfolio of what one of my bot projects does. It's called Searchy. It gained quite a bit of popularity when I made it. I think it had about 1,000. It was in about 142 servers, which was a big milestone for me. I understand that may not be a lot for you, but it was a great achievement for me, and I was very proud of myself when I did it. This is just a showing of what my bot does. It's like, so basically it's a bot that you use in, that you can use to surf the web, basically. So you can ask it AI queries, so let's say that, hi, let's do let's do AI / what day of the week was 1982 January 2nd. It was a Saturday. That's basically the AI command. Has date, time, date. So basically it just shows the current date. Date, time shows the current date and exact time, so down to milliseconds, yeah, or just down to the second. Then the feedback, so you can send the bot, you can send me feedback, so it goes hi, it goes into Discord server, it goes into Discord server, as you can see here. Oh no, I haven't actually set that up properly. I will fix that soon. Yeah, it's broken right now. I'll fix it soon though. Google, so you can search for things at Google. It'll bring up only link results though. So World War II. It's probably going to be a Wikipedia page first. Yeah. So Wikipedia, don't know. Let's see what that is. Hold on. It's nothing. Quit Opera. So World War II, so it basically just gives you the top 10 results. Then image, so you can just get the bot to send an image. So let's see, do I have any cool images? So this is a saved image I have from a Roblox game. Sends the image, sorry, there you go. So it sends the image. Then info, so basically it just tells you a bit about the bot and how you can add it, I'm pretty sure, or it's just about the bot, what it was made in, the ID of the bot. So this bot uses PyCode, that's incorrect actually, I use PyCode 2.6.1, so I haven't updated this in quite a while. It's made by me, of course, and it's called Searchy. The invite command, it just gives you an invite link to the bot. Then search book, so you can use this to find a book. So let's do Demon Slayer volume 16. So that's one. Let's do another one just to show you that it's not preset or something. Let's do Harry Potter Deathly Hallows. And it gives you the, what's it called, the the back page, I don't know what that's called, the description of the book. Then tenor, so you can basically search, give it a query, and it'll find a random GIF based on that query. So it'll find a tenor GIF, like that one, or although no, it just finds the top result for that GIF. Sorry, my bad. Let's do clouds. You get the idea. Then we've got time, so you can get the current time. And we've got Urban Dictionary, so this is just linked to a dictionary where you can add a definition for any word, and that can be anything, so it kind of comes up with weird definitions. So let's use the word hello. And you see here, so it gives really funny definitions, because yeah, the only word on this site that has nothing to do with sex or drugs. Let's see, what else did I add? And then you can also search for YouTube videos with a specific amount of videos. So I'm pretty sure there is a limit. I've forgotten it. I think it might be 10, but you can search for a YouTube video and it'll bring up 10 limits, kind of like the Google command. So let's do dogs dancing. And then let's do 7. Okay, so it brings up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to fix that then. It must be minusing 1. Then we look at the so then another command it has is called the user command. Basically, you can do this. You can check user account creation dates at exact times. So this is very useful if you just want to do like a background check on someone. Here's my account creation date. And it could also give you server info. So you can use it to check what server info, the info of the server in this group right now. Although that does seem to be a bit broken because it's not in this server. So maybe I should make that a server command instead of a user command, but that's not the point of today. Then yeah, that's pretty much my bot. It's pretty much searching. Thanks for watching.